Hello and welcome to Business Standards Morning Bulletin. Today we talk about how Tupperware is planning to spread its wings by getting working women in its sales force and a premium product range. Tupperware has neither entered any of the hypercity stores nor any of the regular retail channels, yet Indian consumers are well aware of the brand. Entering India in 1996, the Florida-based company is one of the few who have made direct selling credible. Even as the debate rages on how to make direct selling in India less fly-by-night and less reminiscent of Ponzi schemes, Tupperware is lining up the second edition of its TV communication campaign. This would be its second TVC in the span of a year. For a brand which does not advertise on TV at all in any of its markets save for two, it is stepping on the gas for one of its fastest growing market, India. Relying mostly on word of mouth generated at the many Tupperware parties thrown by its distributors around the world to attract patrons and recruits, Tupperware has put its agents on TV talk shows in Indonesia to tell their entrepreneurship stories. However, the company runs a TVC only in India. According to Tupperware's global results for the third quarter of 2012-13, demand in India grew by as much as 50%, driven by the middle class's need for its kitchen storage products. In India, by dint of its all-women sales force, it has encouraged entrepreneurial skills and financial security of Indian homemakers in 65 Indian cities. Anshu Bagai, Director of Marketing at Tupperware, says, "We are well known as a premium kitchenware brand, but there is this corporate social responsibility built into our brand model itself. We figured that it is time that we highlight this. The brand will portray various women from its sales force as its protagonists in ads on TV, in print and social media." Till recently, Tupperware's 180,000 foot soldiers were mostly homemakers, but the mainstream campaigns have helped bring in another set of audience into its folds. Professionals in its sales force will also help the brand market its new product extensions. It launched a super premium range of imported kitchenware called Ultimo, its foray into steel cookware. It also launched a water filter that does not use electricity but lets gravity do its work. These are products which will need a wider network than that of homemakers to grow. That is all in the news for now. Thank you and join us again in the afternoon for more news.